When we remodeled our bathroom, one of the things I put on my wish list was a heated towel warmer. And we got sent this one. This one's amazing. I'm going to show you why it makes such a difference for your towels. It's not just any towel warmer. It's probably one of the coolest ones I've ever seen. Let me show you it up close. It does require being hardwired into the wall. So we actually had our contracting crew here during the remodel and they were able to do that for us. But if you are pretty handy, I'm sure you could do it as well. Now you see that blue light. This is our on and off button. So I usually turn it on before I'm about to shower, and I have my towel hanging on it. Now we have ours up really high. My husband is 6'5", so he can use that super tall rung. I really can't reach that, to be honest, but we put it up really high because we wanted to be able to grab our towels from inside the shower without having to exit the shower. And we have it over our toilet, so we didn't want to have it too low where it was going to hit us in the head. So that's why we did that placement. And what I love about it is how it looks. So it has that really modern look to it. So it doesn't look out of place or strange. It looks very intentional. Now let me show you what it looks like with the towel on. Just put the towel on it, really simply hung it right through there. And what it's doing right now is heating up. So this part is nice and warm, and it's getting my towel nice and warm so that when I come out of the shower, I'm gonna have a warm towel. And that is awesome. Also, when I'm done with the shower and I'm drying off and my towel is a little bit damp, I can put it back on there and it's going to help dry my towel. So, you know, when your towels kind of stay out and they start getting that like mildew smell because they're still kind of damp, this really helps eliminate that. So it helps dry your towels faster as well. If you don't want your towel hanging down, you can kind of fold it back in there as well. So that does have a nice streamlined look. And you can put more than one towel on. You could have a couple towels on here. We just love our shower. This thing's amazing. And now we love it even more thanks to this towel warmer. So if you're looking for an incredible towel warmer, this one is awesome.